Sam will be kinumpirma na hindi na sila friends ni Moira De La Torre. At last year pa ito. At ito din ang dahilan kung bakit niya in-unfollow si Moira De La Torre. Hi everyone! Good evening! This is Manay Gina and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So guys, for today's video, ayan, pag-usapan natin si Sam Melby kasi nga ayun na nga, kinumpirma na ni Sam dahil sa maraming mga fake news na lumabas. Kaya panoorin natin guys ang paliwanag ni Sam Melby. Let's watch this.
Because dati kami ni Moira, we've always been magkuya. We were very close. I was there sa kanya nung nagsistart pala siya sa career niya, sa pag-angat niya. I was pushing her, I was supporting her, and sobrang close kami before. And I guess people wanted to connect our closest to may nangyari sa amin. I don't know. Have you seen any evidence? Wala, because it's not true.
Right.
And that's the sad thing. People are trying to connect. It's completely separate issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero, are you friends with Moira?
We are not friends anymore. Last year pa.
Okay.
End of last year. We're not close anymore. We're just not close anymore.
Okay.
We're not friends anymore. We're not close anymore.
Is that also the reason ng pag-unfollow?
Yeah, it is. It is.
So yan guys, loud and clear na sinabi ni Sam na hindi na sila friends ni Moira De La Torre. Marami kasing usap-usapan na talagang maraming nag-unfollow kay Moira dahil nga may attitude siya. At ito yung mga kasama niya sa Cornerstone. At alam din naman natin na binitawan na si Moira ng kanyang management na Cornerstone. Kaya hindi nakapagtataka na meron talagang attitude si Moira De La Torre. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye. God bless everyone.